Artemis Fowl. Artemis Fowl. Peanut butter solution. Released 1985, directed by Michael Rubbo. Mee-Shee, the water giant. Tangled. Tangled. Enchanted. Enchanted. Bridge to Terabithia. Bridge to Terabithia. Arthur and the Invisibles. Released 2006, directed by Luke Besson. My Brother the Pig. Released 1999, directed by Eric R. Fleming, Eric Fleming. Inkheart. Released 2008, directed by Ian Softly. City of Ember. The NeverEnding Story, Roman 2, next chapter. Released 1990, directed by George T. Miller. The Secret of Moonacre. Released 2008, directed by Gabber Sisupo. The Last Airbender. Released 2010, directed by M. Night Shyamalan. More The Last Airbender, the best side characters in Avatar. The Last Airbender. Ranked 6 of 32 blockbusters with no cultural impact whatsoever. Ranked 63 of 65 the best adventure movies for kids. A Kid in King Arthur's Court. Released 1995, directed by Michael Gottlieb Moore. A Kid in King Arthur's Court, 1373 of 1540. The most rewatchable movies, 33 of 47 the best time travel comedies. Ranked 67 of 75 the best 90s family movies. Hook. Released 1991, directed by Steven Spielberg. More Hook. What happened to all the kids from Hook? 409 of 553. The greatest epic movies ever made, 63 of 97 the best movies to watch on mushrooms. Superbabies, Baby Geniuses 2. Released 2004, directed by Bob Clark Moore. Superbabies, Baby Geniuses, 6 of 224 the worst sequels of all time, 13 of 70 the dumbest movie sequel titles, 152 of 154 the best movie sequels ever made. Twitches. Released 2005, directed by Stuart Gillard. The Indian in the Cupboard. Released 1995, directed by Frank Osmore. The Indian in the Cupboard, 160 of 372 old movies every young person needs to watch in their lifetime, 12 of 20 movies that should be remade, 54 of 111 the best Native American movies. The Secret of Roan, Inish. Released 1994, directed by John Sayles. More, 48 of 50 the best movies with elves, 25 of 27 great movies about very smart young girls, 20 of 27 the best mermaid movies. Magic in the Water. Released 1995, directed by Rick Stevenson. More Magic in the Water, 5 of 15 the best Loch Ness Monster movies 312 of 525, the best fantasy movies 123 of 179, the best family drama movies of all time. The Easter Egg Adventure. Released 2004, directed by John Michael Williams. Zathura. Released 2005, directed by Jon Favreau. Filmography: more Zathura. 9 of 19, the best movies coming to Netflix in February 2021. 111 of 186, the best alien movies ever made. 41 of 70, the greatest supernatural and paranormal teen films. Jumanji. Released 1995, directed by Joe Johnston. Warriors of Virtue. Released 1997, directed by Ronnie Yu. Casper meets Wendy. Released 1998, directed by Sean McNamara, Bruce McCarthy. Kazaam. Released 1996, directed by Paul Michael Glaser. Moore. 618 of 661, the best black movies ever made. Ranked 3 of 12, classic 90s kids movies you forgot are actually super messed up. 10 of 12 90s movies we loved as kids that are so bad they are good. Sinbad, Legend of the Seven Seas. Released 2003, directed by Tim Johnson. Patrick Gilmore. Moore. Sinbad, Legend of the Seven Seas. 12 of 46, the best family movies streaming on Hulu. 30 of 65, best kids movies streaming on Hulu. Digimon, the movie. Released 2000, directed by Mamoru Hosoda. Shigeyasu Yamachi. Digimon, the movie. 5 of 15, totally underrated English dubs of anime. 78 of 251, the best anime movies of all time. Lilo and Stitch 2, Stitch has a glitch. Released 2005, directed by Michael Labash, Anthony Lindy's. More Lilo and Stitch 2, Stitch has a glitch. 246 of 575, the best animated films ever. 13 of 37, the best Dakota Fanning movies. Monster House. Released 2006, directed by Gil Kenan. Moore. Monster House. 29 of 105, the best Halloween movies for kids. 37 of 84, great movies that take place in autumn. Percy Jackson and the Olympians, The Lightning Thief. Released 2010, directed by Chris Columbus. The Last Mimzy. Released 2007, directed by Robert Shea. Moore. The Last Mimzy. 76 of 99, the greatest kids sci-fi movies. 36 of 38, the best science fiction family movies. Ice Age Franchise. Released 2002, present, directed by Michael J. Wilson. Moore. Ice Age Franchise, the best characters in the Ice Age series. Ranked 34 of 103, the very best movie franchises. 37 of 75, the best bromance movies. Bedtime Stories. Released 2008, directed by Adam Shankman. Moore. Bedtime Stories. 500 884 of 925. The all-time greatest comedy films, 885 of 1540. The most rewatchable movies, 76 of 97. The best Disney live-action movies. Santa Claus the movie. Released 1985, directed by Gina S. Moore. Santa Claus the movie, 41 of 127. The best Christmas movies of all time, 2 of 69. The best John Lithgow movies. Shrek Franchise. Released 2001, present, directed by Andrew Adamson, Vicky Jensen. More Shrek Franchise, 24 small but poignant details fans noticed about the Shrek movies. 11 of 15 wildly successful movie franchises that only have one great film. Onward. Released 2020, directed by Dan Scanlon. More Onward, 59 of 111. The best Disney animated movies of all time, 158 of 206. The best adventure movies, 98 of 126 movies that need sequels. Little Monsters. Released 1989, directed by Richard Greenberg. More 61 of 70. The greatest supernatural and paranormal teen films, 15 of 26. Wholesome Halloween movies for the whole family. Stuart Little. Released 1999, directed by Rob Minkoff. More Stuart Little, 164 of 252. The funniest 90s movies, 584 of 737. Most annoying TV and film characters ever, 91 of 306. The best movies for kids. Explorers. Released 1985, directed by Joe Dante. More Explorers, 233 of 314. The funniest 80s movies, 309 of 372. Old movies every young person needs to watch in their lifetime, 140 of 186. The best alien movies ever made. James and the Giant Peach. Released 1996, directed by Henry Selick. More James and the Giant Peach. James and the Giant Peach was a beautiful nightmare of a children's movie on purpose, 136 of 369. The best movies based on books, 24 of 25. People are sharing the movies that traumatized them as kids, and we are shook. Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. Released 2005, directed by Tim Burton. More Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, 186 of 295. The best duos of all time, 32 of 97. The best movies to watch on mushrooms. Wish Upon a Star. Released 1996, directed by Blair Q. Moore. Wish Upon a Star, 104 of 200. The best teen romance movies, 52 of 327. The best free movies on YouTube, ranked 25 of 31. 90s movies that totally define teenage girl life. The Iron Giant. Released 1999, directed by Brad Bird. Nightmare Before Christmas. Released 1993, directed by Henry Selick. More The Nightmare Before Christmas. The Nightmare Before Christmas fan theories that just might be true. 20 small Nightmare Before Christmas details that were so easy to miss. 16 of 206 musical movies with the best songs. Coraline. Released 2009, Coraline, directed by Henry Selick Moore. Coraline is a stop-motion nightmare that still chills us if we think about it too long. Coraline is even more horrifying as a book than a movie. The NeverEnding Story. Released 1984, directed by Wolfgang Peterson Moore. The NeverEnding Story 287 of 553. The greatest epic movies ever made. 111 of 277. The top tearjerker movies that make men cry. Dark Crystal. Released 1982, directed by Frank Oz, Jim Henson Moore. The Dark Crystal. Jim Henson's The Dark Crystal is even darker than you remember. Behind the scenes stories of The Dark Crystal. Harry Potter franchise. Released 2001-2011, directed by Chris Columbus, Alfonso Cuarón, Mike Newell, David Yates Moore. Harry Potter franchise, one of 96 the best film adaptations of young adult novels. 21 of 45 the greatest action film franchises. Ranked. The Chronicles of Narnia, The Lion, the Witch and the Wardrobe. Released 2005, directed by Andrew Adamson Moore. The Chronicles of Narnia, The Lion, the Witch and the Wardrobe. The best characters in the Chronicles of Narnia. Ranked 360 of 1189. Every Oscar-winning film ever.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.